Hi, so I'm in the Higashi Agano area, and I've just been on a little morning walk, which is the start of the ridge trail between two of the main valleys here. There are lots of little valleys. This area is less well known, so there are barely any hikers on it. You could be on the hike for 4 hours going into it, and you might come across like 2, 3, maximum 4 people. So what's really interesting is I did a little bit of research into the local wildlife here, specifically mammalian life. So they have wild boar here, deer, and they also have black bear. And every morning that I've been out here, I've noticed on the entrance of the trail and kind of going up half a mile is there are lots of droppings, and I went away to research what those could be. So my first port of call was deer or wild boar, but I actually found out with research that the droppings that I've identified are definitely black bear droppings, which is really exciting. So I proceeded with caution up the route, but I would actually love to see a black bear here in the wild. It would just be an amazing thing to witness, and if I manage to get it with the GoPro, I'll be so excited to share that. So yeah, Agano hiking in northwest Saitama, which is outside of Tokyo, a couple of hours away, and I'm staying here with some friends at a mountain retreat, and it's been absolutely amazing. And I'm currently surrounded by lots of cedar trees, and they're just amazing. So because it's so quiet here, I think the black bear just feels at ease enough to come out onto the main path, which is quite a small path. But it's very surreal to think that it's just kind of wandering around, especially at night, and the droppings were definitely fresh. You can tell they're bear droppings because they're not little round droppings, they're bigger, but they have lots of berries because they eat mainly berries. So you can see lots of berries in the poop, and that's how you can distinguish them, and also the shape of the dung. So something to bear in mind if you're out hiking, doing outdoorsy stuff, is to research what kind of creatures you might come across. It's very, very exciting. There's a beautiful river as well. You're watching The Culture Cave. I'm Gabriella White, and I'm on the Agano mountain trail close to the ridge, which is amazing for hiking. See you next time.